Bo Nix is an American football quarterback for the Denver Broncos of the NFL. He's become one of the league's rising stars after an exceptional rookie season and a record-breaking second year. Nix won Alabama's Mr. Football Award as a senior in 2018 and was considered the top dual-threat quarterback in his recruiting class. In 2025, Nick's second season has been even more successful. In Week 18, the Broncos defeated the Los Angeles Chargers 19-3, securing them the top seed in the AFC. Nick set the record for the most wins in a single regular season by a Broncos quarterback with 14 victories. In a playoff rematch against the Buffalo Bills, Nick completed 26-46 attempts for 279 yards and threw for his 3 touchdowns as the Broncos won the overtime 33-30, making their first playoff win since Super Bowl 50 at the end of the 2015 season. This victory gave Knicks the record for most wins by a quarterback in their first 2 seasons in NFL history and the most game winning drives in a season by a quarterback aged 25 or younger. In 2024, Knicks' rookie season featured memorable highlights. Against the Atlanta Falcons, Knicks won 28-33 for a career-high 307 yards and 4 touchdowns as the Broncos won 38-6. He became the first rookie quarterback in NFL history to complete over 80% of his passes while throwing for at least 4 touchdowns and 300 yards in a single game. He earned multiple AFC Offensive Player of the Week and Rookie of the Week honor. Nix led the Broncos of the playoff in his first season, finishing as a finalist for NFL Offensive Rookie of the Year. In 2022, Nix transferred to the University of Oregon, reuniting with offensive coordinator Kenny Dillingham, who led coached him during his successful freshman year at Auburn. The sense of scenery proved transformative. In his season with the Ducks, Mix led Oregon in a 10-3 record in the 2022 season, finishing with 3,593 passing yards, 29 touchdowns, and 7 interceptions, along with 510 rushing yards and 14 rushing touchdowns. In 2023 session was historic. Knicks passed for 4,508 yards, 44 touchdowns and 3 interceptions to go with 6 rushing touchdowns.